is a whole skeletal muscle, an entire skeletal muscle, except for it's been transversely sectioned or cross-sectioned right there. And so, what are its connective tissue layers from superficial to deep? Remember, fascia, epimysium, perimysium, endomysium. They're all here. The pink outer layer is the fascia. The white layer just inside the pink is epimysium. So the fascia's been shipped away to reveal the epimysium, immediately deep to it. The gray circles are perimysium, connective tissue, and each layer of perimysium surrounds a small group of muscle cells. So what's a group of muscle cells within perimysium? A fascicle. So we can see like about a half a dozen cells in each fascicle here where they're shown. Can you see the white in between the red dots? The red dots are the muscle cells. And so the white in between the individual red dots or muscle cells will be endomysium connective tissue. So what's this? Fascia. What am I touching? This is fascia. What's this? Epimysium. What's the gray? What would each gray circle represent? Or this gray here represent? Perimysium. And then what's the white connective tissue in between the little red muscle cells? Endomysium. So from outside in, fascia, epimysium, perimysium, endomysium. Endo means inner, as in innermost. Okay. And she also did a variation on that with this guy here, showing the same 4 connective tissue layers. Fascia in pink, the white layer just inside the pink is epimysium. Each gray ring represents a layer of perimysium surrounding a fascicle. So all the red dots are muscle cells. The white connective tissue in between the red dots, endomysium. So here she's taken one skeletal muscle cell, pulled it out of its fascicle right there. Don't worry about this little metal rod there. So that's macroscopic. We can actually see that with the naked eye. The individual dots, they're a bit enlarged. That's a little exaggerated. You would not be able to see the individual muscle cells with the naked eye. Next up, let's take a look at a small